You hear the word Tommy gun, and the first thing most people are always going to think is the roaring 20s, prohibition, bootleggers, rum runners, big old machine gun tuna cans. Or you think of World War II, all the Marines in the Pacific Theater, storming the beaches, trying to take up the Pork Chop Hill. The man that created it, the blowback, simple design, one of the most effective submachine guns, the very first submachine gun in history. Yes, this is about John T. Thompson, the legacy he created, and a firearm unforgettable.